Baby Dogecoin holders, I have two surprises for all baby Dogecoin, my friend. The first surprise is absolutely you will better understand from thumbnail, my friend, to the really huge explosion. The very big event is coming soon, my friend. And the second surprise is absolutely you can see, my friend, is on the screen, because whether you can see here 39.12% the price of baby Dogecoin is pumps up, increasing. Definitely it's really good news for short time investor, my friend. Let me talk about, my friend, these both, my friend, surprising, but kindly subscribe this channel if you are new my channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright holders, so this time as you can see, my friends, the baby Dogecoin price will totally increasing from last, my friend, 1 month, my friend. But this time as you can see something very special. If you check out the market cap, so they will, my friend, you can see 6.641 billion, my friend, and fully diluted market cap is here 996 billion, and my friends, you can see 39.12% increasing. The volume is also, my friend, 377% increase. Oh my goodness, it's really huge pump, my friend. The volume is increasing. And if we check out, my friends, the chart result in last 24 hours, so completely, my friends, this is very good surprise for all of you, my friend. Price is totally firm. They will moving upward from resistance line, so I think it's really good news for all of you. And when, my friends, the price is moving upward from resistance line, then 100%, my friends, they will get a very good profit. So therefore the price is totally on the profit, my friend, increasing. So it's really good news for all holders, my viewers, my subscriber, to price will be increasing. All right holders, so this time as you can see here 39.12% the price is increasing. So when a short-term investor or stop selling, my friend, the price will more and more increasing. And my friend, in the 1st November, this is the big surprise, my friends. So the CEO of, my friends, baby Dogecoin personally tweeted out, we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. For example, my friend, if they will starting just in all the, my friend, at Amazon, so 100%, my friend, they will make you millionaire. So, and I'm really sorry, my friends, so I don't know to which companies they are going to collaborate, but experts says, my friend, there is a chance to they will collaborate with Amazon. So I cannot fear, my friends. I'm hope, I just, I expect, my friend, very good from baby Dogecoin, my friend, to the price will pumps up. So thanks for watching, my baby Dogecoin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friend, in the end of month they will make you a millionaire. See you next time holders. Kindly like video.